You're going to want to take a torque wrench, set it to 25 Newton meters, and this is a 10 millimeter Allen, just like that. Really easy, really tight, really quick. So it's now set down to 25 Newton meters. You're done. All right, so one last quick look before we wrap up, and this ties in all together. I love all these caps. I also have the gas cap as well here in blue, and that matches the blue stitching on the interior of my car. So I have this black and blue theme going. But I love this. I couldn't wait to get this. Looks absolutely fantastic. As you can tell, the install is really easy. Can really tie into the aesthetics of your build, and I'm really psyched to have this in the car. All right, also go ahead and clean up and put your tools away, and you can tell this is not a hard project at all. Don't forget, everything you need will be listed in the video description, from product links, tools, torque values, all the good stuff. Thank you so much to Mashamaro for this collaboration project. This really was that last missing piece of my black line build through the whole engine bay, and it really looks just fantastic. Please make sure to click like and subscribe. It makes a huge difference to my channel. It really does, and I would really appreciate it. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next project.